afternoon, ladies and gents. My name is Walter Mendoza,
And my name is Lex Padayo.
and after this presentation, we hope you'll find it insightful travel to Germany.
Now, don't you want to travel to Germany? It's a place where there's stunning landscape and rich culture and history, which meets the eye and the brain, where the positivity of its people and the deliciousness of their foods and products bring pleasure to the tongue and soul.
Our first stop is Munich, Germany. Let's take pleasure in firstly how to offer recommendations based on the places are as they design.
Like the English Garden, which is such a beauty to the eye, from the extensive green spaces, from the forest to the picturesque lakes and idyllic paths. The English Garden is such a beauty to the eye to look at, like. And there are restaurants too, like a classical restaurants that brings a mix of French, nostalgic, and fresh cuisine. And there's even trains from Munich to Berlin.
Welcome to Berlin, the capital of the largest city of Germany. The city of the most populated by common people, enjoying the beautiful structure and enjoying its food nonetheless the kindness of their people.
Now there are such structures such as the Brandenburg Gate, which has rich history. Yes, from the time of the World Wars, it has
Also
lived.
very
Yes, and so there are restaurants such as the Bless Restaurants. It's a very nice restaurant, and that was it. We wish that you had a great time enjoying and looking at Germany. Thank you for everything.
thank you.
In conclusion, this activity was very fun and it also taught us how to carefully take care of our money and be wise of our actions. Nevertheless, it was very insightful.